know what it is?
It's already green.
Ill kid. Cloud ninja on the beat. Don't panic, you rookies that don't manage. Looking at all the candles, it's a ride and we off the handles. It's the heat, cause we bringing all the kitchens out. Oven mitts for little kids, what you bitching about? Pockets when they jingling, money stay mingling. I'm just getting started, yeah, I'm trying to get the swing of things. You love the green, but you hate the red. It's like you love the sex, but you hate the head.
Oh, we're green early. Dow up, NASDAQ up, S&P up. Everything is green.
Rinse and repeat, it's Rich TV. You miss me, I'm the one, Jet Li. It's time that we get popping out. I ain't never stopping now. You would think I'm floating in the open way I cop a cloud. You should even shop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Hating is my stomping ground. This is how the market goes. It's
Round and round we go.
When we stop, we just don't know.
Don't panic, don't panic.
Why you spend up all your dough?
Here's the early winners.
Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic.
FRA is up.
Bring the heat with Kenny just like it's Las Vegas. You hard
ACB is up.
I'm mob like don't call Sean another song. I don't pause, baby. I don't panic. I just mix it up like Shaka Khan.
Sprotly is up.
It's like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You're too weak, bro. Cause you looking at a 52-week low.
Good morning, everybody. Oh, Sprotly at 47. Let's go. Oh my goodness, it's climbing. Try to sell high. Man, oh man, oh man. I brought it to you, I brought it to you, I brought it to you, and I'm still bringing it to you. Round and round we go. Don't panic, don't panic.
Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic. Something has to be done about this. Mr. Attorney, this is what I pay you for. What can I do? Litigation it is. Get the wheels in motion. Quickly. ASAP. Quick.
Wow, this is amazing. So Sprotly Canada brought to you by your boy Rich, absolutely free, and I brought it to you guys first. So I want to show you guys. This is the one-day chart. You can see we are already up 4% again here today. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I just know this baby is moving. And the MACD, you see this blue line here, how it's shooting up past the orange line and shooting right up? This is an indicator of strength. This is an indicator of momentum. It is pointing right up, the MACD. The orange line is also pointing up. These are both indicators of strength and power. See this red line, how the red line is over this line? If it's over this line, it's buying pressure. If it's below this line, it's selling pressure. So there was a lot of selling pressure, even though it went up recently. And then today, all I see is two red lines of buying pressure. So hopefully this is a good sign of what is to come. And this is the stochastics. You can see that the red and the blue line were both pointing right up. They've recently started to turn sideways. So this is an indicator that it might be leveling off right now at this moment, but it was shooting up early at the open. And obviously the Bollinger Bands are pointing right up. So this is obviously a very good sign for Sprotly, looking like they're going to have a strong day. Obviously up early, 4.44%, but it's still early. We don't know exactly where it's going to go. If there's any picks that are moving right now, please guys, let me know. I'd love to know what is popping. Wow. Early on, JAGX up 24%. So we have stocks that are moving right now. And if there's anything that is moving that I need to look at, please let me know so we can pull it up on the chart and we can do, wow, look at this. We can do any analysis we need to. Amazon is up early. You know, let's take a look at what is down early. Goldman Sachs is down slightly. Canopy Growth is down slightly. So a little bit down, but not much to speak of. And the green We see quite a lot of green right now. And I believe this is just the start. And let's take a look at Market Watch. Hey, my pleasure, man. I'm glad to help you guys, man. I always want to keep bringing you guys the winners first. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope everybody's ready for a big week. This is the first real trading week of 2019. It's the first full trading week of 2019. So it says right here, U.S. stock market poised to pull back as Wall Street watches China trade talks. So it looks as though the Dow is now down 50 points. But we've seen this, and we've seen it go down as much as like 600 points and then turn green. So a lot of people are starting to say that the Fed is buying up a lot of these stocks. So if we see a dip, I wouldn't be surprised to see it bounce back up, but you never know. When you have a lot of green like we did last week, it's pretty natural for it to go back in the red. So we'll see exactly what happens here, but we are down 67 points in the Dow, 2 points on the S&P 500. The NASDAQ is actually up 8 points. The global Dow is up 8 points. Gold up to 1,293. It is slowly climbing. It's up 7.7 points. Looks like we might be breaking 1,300 soon. And oil is also climbing up from those lower lows that it was at $48.56. So we are starting to see some movement, and we are starting to see some red and some green in the markets, and the market has not even been open. Oh, and look at Sproutly. It is now up 5.56%. It's at 45.5 cents. And look at this. See how the stochastics have pointed up now? Remember I was telling you the stochastics were pointing sideways? They were. They went down a little bit, and now the blue line is pointing up. The orange line past the blue line is straight. Now the orange line is starting to push up. The MACD also is showing strength here still. The blue line is still pointing up, and the orange line is pointing up, and the red lines are all above the line here. So this is a good sign of strength here for Sproutly. Seems like they have a lot of momentum to start the day, and they're up now 5.56%. So I want to know what you guys think. Do you like Sproutly? Do you think it's a buy at these prices? Do you own this company? Do you think that this is a company that's going to continue to climb? Obviously, we're going to watch it for you guys. I want to show you guys something over the last year. It's been way higher, okay? You can see here, oh, we're at 48 cents now. Wow. Unbelievable. You guys see what's going on here? Unbelievable. It's literally climbing while we're speaking, but it's at 48 cents and it's up 6%. We've seen it as high as 80 cents. So there's still a lot of room for growth for this stock, okay? Let's look at the American one. Wow, up 12% in America. Unbelievable. So it's up 12% in America, up 5.56% in Canada. Sproutly. And on the indicators here, it is shooting right up on the stochastics in America and pointing up in the MACD in America as well. So Sproutly is looking really, really strong. You want a Nature Boy or Ric Flair? Woo! Hope you like that one. So yeah, man, I just want to help you guys have a big week. Hopefully you guys have a strong week. The key is looking for good companies. Wow, look at this. Is this real? Is this real? Acreage. Oh my goodness. Acreage Holdings. Wow. ACRG up another 7% in Canada and climbing. ACRGF in America. So we've got some bad boys that are really moving nicely today. And if there's anything else that I'm missing, please let me know so I can pull it up. Let me know what I might be missing, because I want to see all the picks that are on popping right now. Let's see here. INSY up 5%. NBEV, New Age Beverages, is up shortly right now, up 2.95%. Nothing huge. Tesla is up 2% early on in early trading. So the market is literally just getting started. I don't see anything exploding yet. But if you do see any explosions, please let me know so I can pull it up on the chart. Boss. Wow, Boss, eh? You guys are not kidding with Boss. The yield growth, Boss, up 9.86% right now. That's good. That's good. I like that. Yeah, I like Hannah Royalty. Let's see if I can pull that up. Let me just mark this first. I'm going to mark Boss. This is one that our membership has been telling us about. And wow. Congratulations for anyone who got into Boss early when we were talking about it in our community, in our group chat. And look at them now at 40 cents. It's up over 100% since our members brought this first. It's now up 11.27% and it's just climbing higher. So it has a lot of momentum. What else is popping? Is there anything else that I need to pull up? NGW is up 14%. Let's take a look at NGW. We are at the open. We are looking at the markets. If there's any picks that we need to look at, please let me know. And NGW, there it is. Wow. Unbelievable. We looked at this last week. It had a monster week last week, and it is continuously moving higher. You can see next green wave holdings, and it's been higher than this. It's been as high as 77 cents. So I still see room to grow here, but be careful of a trend reversal. The stock seems to be very volatile. Goes up, goes down, goes up, it goes down. But you can see right now on the indicators, the MACD is pointing up. Stochastics, the blue one, is pointing down a little bit. So it might be an indicator that this run might be slowing down. But this red line is still shooting up here. So still a sign of a lot of strength. It might pull back a little bit and then shoot back up again. But NGW now up 14%. Oh, now up 10%. Boss up 12%, now at 40 cents. Sproutly up 12%. Acreage Holdings up 7.95%. And didn't I do a video on Acreage Holdings this weekend? Pretty sure I did. ASNT. Let's pull up ASNT. I want to know what's popping right now. If there's anything that's popping, please let me know. ASNT. Put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. Up 22% at 24.5 cents. Let's just mark ASNT. This is one that I haven't researched much, so I'm going to have to take a look at this one a little bit more. Learn a little bit more about this company, but I like to mark the low, the high, and then where we're at, just so that as we go through these stocks every day, we can kind of get a good idea of what they're doing. Ascent Industries now up 25%. My goodness, there's a lot of green, guys. I see a lot of green. Even Cura is up 2% right now. So I'm starting to see a lot of green here so far. So far, I see lots of green. FSD is up. Nice. That's what I like to hear. They're fighting with Health Canada to keep their license. Yeah, that's pretty... Who's fighting with Health Canada to keep their license? Dave? ASNT? Well, what's FSD at right now? What's FSD at right now? Let's see. Wow, look at this. FUTL up 100%. That's a sub-penny stock. Neptune Wellness Solutions, NEPT, up 17%. JAGX up 18%. Mentor Capital, MNTR, one that we talked about last week, up 17%. CaliX Bioventures CYX up 16%. AXIM up 4%. SIP Industries SIPC up 9%. CUV Ventures CUV up 8%. Merrimed MRMD up 4%. POT Networks POTN up 6%. Caliterra Therapeutics keeps climbing up 5%. Namaste Technologies keeps climbing up 4%. Oxley Cannabis is up 2%. Wow, 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 wow. InMed Pharmaceuticals up 4%. What else? What else? NSP is up 3%. Radiant Technologies is up 2%. Saniva is up 2%. FRA is up 2%. TGOD is up 2%. Vivo is up 2%. Kronos Group is up 2%. Buds is up 4%. TRTC is up 5%. ALEF is up 2%. 9 is up 1%. TRST is up 1%. So we are looking at all the stocks, and we see a lot of green so far to start this week, which is a great sign. It's absolutely a great sign. I see a lot of green. Lots of green. Canna Royalty. One of you guys mentioned Canna Royalty. Look at all that. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Up 3.47%. Yeah, FSD is definitely going to be a giant. There's no doubt about that. You need to get even on FSD and get out. Well, the best way to do that is to lower your costs. So when you see a dip, buy it. And then when it goes back up and you see some profits, take it. It's the best way to get out of a stock. Wow, huge. Up 6.9% at 31 cents. Let's go. Let's pull it up. Wow, Sproutly is going higher. Oh my goodness. Now up 7.21%. This is just unbelievable. Wow, Acreage, it just hit $24. It's up 9%. What is happening right now? Boss at 41.5 cents, up 16.9%. Oh my goodness. Look at them go. Oh my goodness. Look at them go. How about huge? You know, I love this bad boy. I own this bad boy. And it's up 6.9% today. Glorious. Just glorious. Glory. What a great way to start the week. What do you guys think? Look at all this green, eh? This is pretty crazy. There's a lot of green today, guys. A lot. In fact, let's just quickly take a look at the marijuana index. I want to see how that is looking. We are green. Look at this. We are green in North America. What a start. So 4 points, up 1.73% across North America. In America, we're up 1.89% in early trading. And in Canada, we're up 1.36% in early trading. So we are shooting right up, continuing the trend that started last week. We still have power, okay? We still have momentum. We still have power. Look at the green. Not huge, but we are starting off on the right foot. See if there's any big news. I don't see any major news yet that is trending. Wow, Clearstream? Yo, is that CSM? Give me these symbols, please. Give me the symbols. Yeah, Clearstream. Damn, Clearstream just keeps moving, eh? Woo! Look at this bad boy. Clearstream. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. From 1 cent to 10 cents, that's a move. That is a move. That's 1,000% return in a period of Oh, today's the 7th? Oh, yeah. In 5 days, this stock has gone up 1,000%. Now that is explosive. I love explosions. Wow, unbelievable. Unbelievable. And it's funny, I wouldn't even have known this stock if it wasn't for you guys. You guys bring these stocks to my attention. It's true. I'm not going to lie. It's 100% true. What else is popping? Is there anything else that I need to look at? GNBT. Yo, thanks for the picks, guys, man. You guys are the beasts. You guys are beasts. People helping people, man. GNBT, I see it's up 1.45% right now. Probably a delay. If there's anything else that's popping, please let me know. We are looking at all the stocks that are moving, especially Sproutly, because I brought this to you guys first, and it is going higher. It is climbing higher. Oops. Market here. So Sproutly, nicely in the green and showing a lot of strength so far. What else? Boss up 15% and climbing, now at 41 cents. Unbelievable. NGW up 10%. ASNT up 22%. Huge is up 6.9%. Had a huge bump up. Starting to come back down right now. CSM, Clearstream Energy, up 40% right now. Some of you guys are saying they're up as much as 50%. NHPI up 116%. Wow. Good morning, guys. How you guys doing today? Wow, 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 wow. NHPI, let's pull it up. Love it when you guys give me these picks. I don't see NHPI here. Let's see. I think NHPI did a symbol change, didn't they? I don't see NHPI even pulling up. So I think they've got a symbol change. PBM. PBM. Up 150%. Yeah, I don't see PBM. PBM. I don't see that either. Wow, CSM up 46%. Really? It's just silly. Wow, Sproutly, guys, it's going higher. 8.92%. Oh my goodness. Are you serious right now? Isn't it just climbing? Are you excited or what? It's funny when you bring a pick and it just keeps going up, right? It's always fun. Like, I enjoy that a lot. I'm not going to lie. Like, sitting here and watching something climb when you brought it to everyone first, it's a pretty nice feeling. It's very rewarding. How do you find strong buys on OTC? If you put in the links for the top strong buy company, it only shows TSX, TSX Venture, and NASDAQ. One of the ways that I find strong buys, I just go to bar chart, and you can go to bar chart top 100 and you can see the top 100 stocks. You can even see bar chart momentum plays. And they're going to give you the stocks that have the most momentum. So that's one of the ways that I do it. Boss up 15% right now. NGW up 8%. ASNT up 20%. Huge is up 6.9%. CSM, Clearstream Energy Services, is up 40%. GNBT is up 8.7%. What else is popping? Is there anything else that I need to look at before I go? I don't know what else to do, man. I brought you winners, and I brought you them last week, and they went up, and now they're up again this week. So I think I need to go back and look for some more winners, man. I think I need to go back and look for some more winners so that I can help the people win. What do you guys think? If there's any other picks you guys want me to look at, please drop them now. And remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in any of these companies that we talk about. I will continue to watch the winners for you. Boss is now up 16.9%. NGW up 12%. ASNT up 15%. Huge is up 6.9%. CSM is up 46.67%. GNBT up 8.7%. And let's just quickly look here at investing.com and see if we see anything else that's popping that I need to bring to you guys before we go. Now, if you guys want me to stay live, please smash the like button, okay? Comment down below. Share the video everywhere. And remember, if you share these videos and I win and you win, we all win. It's true. So why not win? If we have a chance to win, why not win? Huge is now up to 31.5 cents, up 8.62%. Yes. This is great. This is just great. Gotta love it. You gotta absolutely love it. SRUTF. Here we go. Let's add Sproutly to this list. Perfect. Wow, Buds, BUDZ, up 10%. MTNB up 10%. Cali Therapeutics up 10%. Single Point, Sing, up 10%. Inner Spirits, ISH, up 10%. So we are watching the markets and we are watching the winners. CYX up 33%. QCC up 17%. Neptune Wellness Solutions, NEPT, up 16%. So there are lots of players that are popping early this Monday morning, and we are in the green. Look at this. Across North America, we are green. Look at this. Nice green. So this is a good sign. The Dow is down 83 points. The S&P 500 is down 2 points. The NASDAQ is up 16 points. The global Dow is up 10 points. Gold is up 7 points. And oil is up slightly. All right, guys, I'm going to be watching the news. I'm going to be watching the markets. I'm going to do some trading. Got to go back to work here, make sure I can take advantage of some of this momentum. Huge is up nicely. I want to take advantage of this. Maybe look at that because I own some Huge. So if you're not winning, you're definitely not watching. Thank you guys for watching. Had to bring you guys the open because there's some predictions that I made that have come up positive, and there it is. Sproutly up now 8.95%, and they are climbing. What do you guys think? If you guys are winning on this bad boy, congratulations. I'll be back. Don't worry. Just gonna, look at the news, keep my eye on Sproutly and everything else. And if anything big happens, I'll bring it to you first. Wow, Boss. Boss is bossing it right now, up 18%, and it just keeps climbing. And you heard it here first from your boy Rich. All right, buddy. All right, everybody. If you ain't winning, you ain't watching. This is your boy Rich, and I'm out. Let me give you some music. I have to give you guys some music before I leave here, because I know you guys like the tunes, right? Isn't Namaste on fire? Let's take a look at Namaste. Let's take a look at Namaste before we leave. People are saying it's on fire. Let's take a look. Yep, up another 5.36%. This bad boy keeps climbing. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gots to love it. Gene, Gene, is up 7%. InMed Pharmaceuticals is up 5%. Saniva is up 4%. Funny. All these picks that I've been talking about for a long time, telling you guys that they're all a buy, they're all going up. Wow, look at this. Another penny stock. Smart Cannabis Corp up 15%. SCNA. You guys should add SCNA to your watch list. They are going to be a monster. They're up 15%. What did I tell you guys about Tilray? Remember I told you guys Tilray was a short? Yep, down to $68. Highly overpriced. GTII up 13%. What else? Ooh, TRTC. TRTC is climbing, everybody, up 11%. Kush Bottles, I told you guys about Kush Bottles. Told you it was one of my top 10, one of my top 5 for the year, up 2%, almost at $6 now, just secretly climbing. And what else? What else? Looking at everything in the markets. FSDDF now up 10% in America. Let's go. Let's go. Looking at everything in the market. FRA is up 2%. Wow, look at this. Sproutly Canada now at 48 cents. Congratulations to everybody that's taking advantage of this move. I know a lot of you guys bought Sproutly, so you guys are probably really happy right now. I would not be shocked if you're taking your profits. There's nothing wrong with that. There's totally nothing wrong with that. In fact, there was a Canada stock resurrection that I predicted with Il Kid. I'm going to leave you with that too before we go.
Haters and they trolls, they're trying to
Pretty sure I predicted this Canada stock resurrection, didn't I?
put lawsuits on these companies. Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction so we don't take advantage of the Canada stock resurrection.
Oh, we're taking
That's really
advantage.
what's going on. That's the truth.
We're taking advantage.
Rich. And I'm
Wow, Boss just keeps going higher. Oh my goodness.
One day we gon' fly. We gon' make this money. We gon' live our life. But we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings. I'ma feel alright. One day we gon' fly. We gon' make this money. We gon' live our life. And we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings. I'ma feel alright. Shooters can't take us down. It's the time to buy.
Wow, Boss is going higher.
We the people stay true and we don't stand for lies. Canada, we the leader for the legalized. Herb be the cure for all the sick and all the broken. We wanted this for years and they thought we were joking. Nah. We were always patient. Cannabis for you and me and all the nations. So all my brothers and all my sisters go on and light it up. Who wanna take it to the head when the times are tough? I know we buying in the red, that's the sign of blood. Don't panic, we gotta manage, the time is us. And I don't care for the lefts and all the market makers. But I swear they nuts, I call them salty haters. Big pharma trying to get him for a piece of it. Because they know the medication, we don't believe in it. I'm so happy it's over, all the prohibition. And now we here, it's Rich TV, the coalition. There's no locking or stopping because we on a mission. Teach the people they spreading lies, it's a contradiction. You want to make money? Invest in the top cannabis stocks in Canada and the United States that are revenue generating. Invest in the best because the best is blessed. This is your boy Rich. We're up. Peace. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is a cannabis stock revolution. It's true. Get ready for the resurrection. I'm up. Peace.
Wow. AX. Yo, thank you for the pick, Brent. AXSM up 126%. Brent, I'm going to make you a moderator. Good pick. Good pick. I'm not a big fan of Isodiol because they did a reverse split. And if you do a reverse, you're not my friend. Ain't gonna happen.
Wall Street, and I ain't talking about DiCaprio. The man predicted markets. He knew it was going to explode. He knew it was making money, and he knew to crash your homes. Oh, yeah, these are the big boys. He also predicted the crash of bitcoins. That's a big short. Stop acting like a big dork. I'ma get this pie, no lie. I need a big fork. Back. I know about the tactics. The short is making money off the people's back. It's horseshit. I'm telling you, take caution.
Wow, Sproutly's got power.
I'm trying to make enough money to give to all the poor kids, and that is what the herb is for. Helping people feed the poor.
Sproutly has
Stop thinking
power.
that all you need is more. And now we here, but our past, yeah, we can't forget. It's time to grow, and you know we getting out of debt. One day we gon'
Yeah, you know, I like fire, but they're talking about doing a reverse, man. If you're gonna do a reverse, I'm out. I got no time for no reverse, man. You ain't gonna reverse on me, man. That never ends well. Man. Pretty sure I brought you guys Cura Leaf last week too, eh? They're climbing. They're on fire. Shooting right up.
Wall Street. cannabis stocks. Rich TV Live loves and believes in cannabis stocks. The question is, do you believe in cannabis stocks, and will you achieve ultimate wealth through the cannabis stock revolution? It's true.